Make sure that you subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any videos of Alice in Wonderland. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can transform your t-shirt in 3 different ways. So let's get started. In the first one, fold the t-shirt in half and carefully cut out a triangle on its neck. And there you have your own choker style t-shirt, as easy as that. If you have any t-shirt that doesn't fit you anymore, just check this way out. Get some lace and some ribbon of the same color. Now we'll be making bows out of it. So just fold the lace from both sides and sew it. Wrap around the thread to fix it. And then place the ribbon on it. And sew it from behind. In the same way, make some more ribbons. Now cut the t-shirt from its back and make sure to cut the top part only. Make a little gap between the cut and place the bows wherever you want. Now place in a cardboard and fix the ribbons with pins. Now using simple running stitch, keep folding the t-shirt and keep sewing. And it will fit perfectly with a beautiful design. In the final way, take any old t-shirt and cut out a heart shape from it. Place in a cardboard. From the opposite side of the t-shirt, place the heart and sew it all around. Now fold the t-shirt back towards the front and tracing the stitches, carefully cut straight lines over the heart. And you have your heart-shaped rugged t-shirt. Thanks for watching.